Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi Device to Doogee S98. First of all, you need to access Play Store on both devices, click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Then install this free app from this developer and open it. Now you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Finally, click on Receive on Doogee and Send on Xiaomi. Then you need to tap on all of those dots on your Xiaomi device and tap on Send. This way you will choose all of them and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though to do it now, so I will go with only this one photo. Choose Send and click on Got It. On Doogee you need to tap on No Thanks and close this window. From here, as you can see, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by selecting this scanning icon on Doogee and choosing while using the app or only this time in this pop-up. After that, you need to point your device's camera at the code. But we can also just input this key over here. That's a lot of 7s. Okay, and then tap on Receive. And now, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!